for VFX, for visual effects in Blender, what you want to do is you want to capture a source with a lot of detail that you can use for tracking. For example, we have a bunch of little dots here. These are pebbles. We have the little manhole here. We have the fencing. Think of what can a computer can track. The reason why we need to know that is so that way Blender can calculate the actual 3D position of this video. So I'm going to click play. And you can notice that I'm going very slow, right? No sudden movements. It's a very clean shot. I'm slowly going around stuff. But there's like tons of detail that we can use in order to calculate the position. So it's all the pebbles, all the little cracks and stuff. So this is a perfect location for tracking. So you want to have lots of features. You want to have like almost like a flat surface, like what I have here, and it has to be a smooth, clean video.